We guide you through how to export and download all Snapchat memories to your computer so you can safely back up your snaps. First thing you need to do is open the Snapchat app on your phone and tap your profile icon, then go to Settings by tapping the gear icon in the top right corner. Next, scroll down and select My Data under the Privacy section, then log in with your Snapchat credentials to verify your account. Once verified, request your data download by selecting Submit Request, and Snapchat will prepare a zip file containing all your memories, including snaps, chats, and stories. You'll receive an email with a download link when the file is ready. Open the email on your computer, click the link, and download the zip file. Extract it, and you'll have access to all your Snapchat memories safely stored on your PC, making it easy to view, archive, or transfer them without using your phone.